The teenager charged in the death of Calgary police officer Sergeant Andrew Harnett has been found not guilty of first-degree murder, but has been found guilty of manslaughter. Good evening, I'm Taylor Brott. Thanks for joining us tonight. 3 high-profile cases were in Calgary courtrooms today, the 2 others, Robert Leeming and Jerome Messam. But we begin with the hit-and-run death of Harnett, the teen driver who fled in the SUV which dragged the officer into an oncoming car on New Year's Eve in 2020, which left the officer dead, has been found guilty of a lesser charge than the defense. Justice Anna Leparco said the now 19-year-old teen, who can't be named because he was 17 at the time, was in a panicked state when he decided to flee the officer and was unable to know his actions would lead to his death. The driver testified he was scared when Harnett and another officer approached the vehicle during a traffic stop, and he saw Harnett put his hand on his gun. The teen's lawyer said his client was guilty of manslaughter but not first-degree murder. Justice Leparco agreed, also factoring in the age and maturity of the teen into the decision. Initially, the teen offered to plead guilty to manslaughter, but that was rejected by the Crown and the trial went ahead. Crown attorney Mike Ewenson said the evidence shows there's no doubt the teen, who is now 19, meant to cause harm to Harnett. Some shock was felt by the defense following the decision.
Absolutely heartbreaking. We do not have a justice system in Canada. We have a legal system. And once again, another officer has given his life, and he served with the military police with honor. He served, in this case, the evidence heard, he served with honor. He did everything right, and it cost him his life. The perpetrator gets a pass.
This was an emotional trial for everybody, and so it's a hard verdict to digest, because obviously we advanced the argument that it was a murder, and we made that argument for a reason, but certainly we respect the justice's decision.
The passenger in the vehicle, Amir Abdul Rahman, pleaded guilty to manslaughter and was sentenced to 5 years. Ewenson says he will be seeking an adult sentence, which could be up to 25 years. Calgary police also sharing a statement tonight saying this was not the verdict they were hoping for.